So this is day 2 at work, and today I'm just finalizing the final touches of these computers. So far, I'm hoping everything is done, because we had some electric problem. Electricity has been a bit disturbing, but today we have some battery, we have some power today. So we're just finalizing the remaining few softwares that were needed to be installed on these computers, but after we shall be done, and these kids have to get ready for exams because the exams are almost starting. Basically, the computer exams, the candidates are now doing the exams, and so far we have to get the computers ready. By the time they come to the laboratory to do computers, everything will be set. So we're here now, trying to install some necessary softwares. Yeah, as you can see, I don't know where I should put my camera. So I've been installing on this desktop and it's done. Just installing some softwares, the few softwares that are remaining, so that we make everything set for the exams. Don't hesitate to call us for all. Yeah, don't hesitate to call us. So basically, don't hesitate to call us in case you need anything. You just call us and we'll be at your doorstep. We shall help you fix everything that concerns computers. That's what we do. That's what we do. We install softwares, we install antivirus software, we install programming softwares, we service schools, we service universities, government agencies, and we service everywhere. So don't hesitate to reach out. We are going to be giving our numbers out. So we are halfway done with this, because there have been like 20 pieces and we're almost wrapping up, installing Windows and antivirus, Microsoft Offices, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, the Adobe Reader, the PDF readers, and all updates, installing updates, Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10, and Windows 11, MacBooks. We install everything, so don't hesitate to reach out. Yep. So that's what's up. We are wrapping up. We have to make sure that everything is set before we leave this territory. So we want to make sure that everything is set when these kids start doing exams. That's what we are trying to do here. It's kind of some job. It's kind of big job, but we can do whatever you ask us to do. If you need any software, don't hesitate to reach out. Call us. We shall be able to get you any software that you need. If you need architecture software, architect software, the AutoCAD and everything, call us. We have different types of softwares. We have the architect, AutoCAD, the Adobe Suite, all softwares that you ever needed. Just reach out to us. We shall be able to give you all the softwares that you're looking for. We have building softwares, we have programming softwares, we have different types of softwares. Don't hesitate to reach out. Yes. So basically, don't hesitate to reach out in case you need anything that concerns computer softwares. We have the Adobe softwares, and these softwares are full versions. You don't need to be paying for them every time. We give you a subscription that can take you some good time. So basically, don't hesitate to reach out. Because our softwares are genuine and they're working well. So in case you need any software, don't hesitate to reach out. So basically, we are going to be giving out our numbers even today. Don't hesitate to search on us on social media. We are located in Kitebi, that is Kampala, Kitebi Star. Call us on 0740 25 61 then 69. We shall be able to come and help you with all your computer needs. For those who are on this new curriculum for basically secondary level, there are some softwares they ask you for web designing. We can be able to install them on your laptop. It's called Microsoft Expression 4. We can install that on your PC, and you can be able to learn the HTML languages on your computer. So if you want to study computer also, we can help you. Don't hesitate. We can help you study computer. So you reach out to us and we know where you're located. We can direct you to our service center where you can come and study computer and get some knowledge about computers so that you could be an expert like us in our works. So that is it for today. Call us today if you need computers, new ones, used. If you need hard disks, hard drives, we have all them. Call us on 0740 25 61 69. Bye for now.